if A is any angle, find a quadrant where sine A is greater than 0 and tan A is less than 0. So I'm just quickly going to write the sine of A greater than 0. So if sine A is greater than 0, it means that sine is positive and tan A is less than 0, which means tan is, if A is less than 0, it means tan is negative. I'm going to do this. I'm going to say cast. Okay. Sine A is positive. So sine A is only positive. And I'm going to scratch out that sine is negative. So where is sine negative? Sine is negative. Here, so it cannot be there because sine is negative. Sine is positive there and there, which means it must be in the first and second quadrant. Where's tan negative? Well, tan is positive there, and tan is positive there. So the only place where sine A is positive and tan A is negative is in your first quadrant, and that will then, or in your second quadrant, which means your answer is quadrant 2, as this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So I'm going to say quadrant 2. Okay, let's look at this one. They say we sine A less than 0 and cos A greater than 0. So it means sine is negative and cos is greater than 0, which means cos is positive. I'm going to use the elimination method. I'm going to say this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. I'm going to say this is cast, and I'm going to write out the opposite. So sine is negative. Sine is negative in your third. So where's sine negative? It's positive there, so it cannot be there. It must be in one of these two. But cos need to be positive. Cos is positive there, so it cannot be there. So my answer, it is in quadrant 4. Quadrant 4.